my channel. It's called Gears of Snore, and this is Priory Branch Road, and I am somewhere in Virginia. Let me tell you, this ride has been beautiful. Just something else. This is one in a series of many videos from my trip to Virginia, and I don't think any of them are gonna do Virginia justice to just how scenic and incredible it is. And I am friggin' coming back next year. Hell, I may come back before winter comes, because I would love to be riding through here in the fall. I mean, you look at all this, just incredible, incredible. I will tell you, I now feel like I'm a little underdressed and wish I had a flannel on. If you would be so kind to give my videos a thumb up or leave a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate you stopping by to watch my videos, regardless of how long you stay. My videos are shot on my 2024 Pan American named Big Sheila. And normally they're in New York, New Jersey, PA, and sometimes Connecticut. It's usually with my friends, Nico, Ray, Yanni, Lever, their girlfriends and wives, and Ken. Today I'm with a group of guys I haven't seen in 2 years. Steve's dad, Steve. No, that's not a New Heart reference, and I doubt a lot of people are going to even get that. Man, this road is weird. I can't tell if it's paved that way or this is just loose gravel. Not taking any chances either way. That's how I want to live. In the woods, not too far from town, just, you know, you get to like experience nature and all the good and bad that comes with it, because let's be honest, that is a cool house. Once you bring man's habits, you know, garbage, stuff like that, into the wild needs to eat, and you know, you're bound to have some sort of issues, but just, this is beautiful. It really, it really is. If anybody from Virginia is watching my channel, you've got a friggin' beautiful state, and I'm only experiencing this small part on the way to the scenic overlook. You know, I get all psyched when we're going on the other side of the Delaware Water Gap into the restaurants down there in Delaware Water Gap, PA, but this is something else. To have 5 bikes and a hot rod doing it. Got what, 3 Harleys, Wayne's cool ass Yamaha. It really is cool, and it sounds friggin' mean. And you've got Big Sheila, or as I like to call it, the Harley Davidson Trans-America. It's the bike that you can take on the highway, ride it off-road, and does it well. My only complaint with this is the same complaint I have with every other motorcycle, the seat. But like I said, I have a bony ass. That's not the manufacturer's fault. It's genetics, friends. Genetics. will say our trip down here, Virginia 70, I got over in the slow lane, 75, put the cruise on. Big Sheila, not a care in the world. Yeah, I feel you, Wayne. I'm racing into any tight corners too I can't see around. This is honestly something else. There's no name on this, so I can't even tell you the road I'm on. I'm not about to take my eyes off the road. I gave a, I'll get the hell out of here. Alright, it's not a spandex Spartan. Yeah, I gave a shout out a couple videos back to somebody that I follow on Instagram. They follow me and they watch the videos, and I was very glad to see that they're at a hospital doing well. Wow, just wow. I tell you, I'm almost sad to go home. Experiencing this beauty. Hell, in this case, we're on a road through the woods, and just, I wish I could tell you the name. Just, there's nothing on Google Maps. Like we're 13 minutes out too. On that note, once again, hey, thank you all for watching, regardless of how long you stay. And if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Drop my videos every Friday, 3 p.m. ish. I hope you'll stop back to see the next video.